Jasper here from Dynamics. Today I'm here to show you the effectiveness of studios using Keyshot 10 Pro. When photos are taken professionally in real life, a photo studio is used to create professional lighting and to easily control and manipulate the scene's background. These studios consist of lights, diffusers, and a large background sheet for light reflection. Will Gibbons has created a model photo studio for Keyshot to also get these professional photography effects. This is a great tool to use in creating professional realistic renders due to the incredible control it gives the user. Using Keyshot's model sets feature, you can create multiple lighting layouts to take your pictures, and this means you will have access to that setting even after you have taken the render and want to change the scene. I recommend looking at Will Gibbons' video to learn the in-depth theory around the use of this studio, but doing this will help you design better scenes with the easily editable lighting and background. Lights can be hidden or edited within the scenes to get the right look for each product. It's important to note that if you're animating using this photo studio, you cannot change the model sets mid-animation. Strategies can be used to fix this, like multiple renders of the animations in each model set, and then editing the videos using external programs. This is time-consuming and can be difficult unless you're keeping the swap-over points in mind during the animating phase. Having a photo studio inside the render is a very quick and effective way to immediately be able to render your models. It streamlines the rendering process and looks far more professional than the default lighting environments. To get a better understanding of how studios work in animations, make sure to watch the Keyshot animation tutorial. Dynamics, ideas molded by experience.